Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change selfie mirror image on a Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to change your Samsung phone selfie mirror image either on photo or on video, then here's a video for you. So basically here you learn how to turn on or turn off selfie mirror image on a Samsung device. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel as this really helps us to grow. Now, to change the selfie mirror image on a Samsung device, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the camera app on your Samsung phone. Now, once you open the camera app on your Samsung phone, select photo. Then here you want to flip the photo to front facing camera. So go ahead and click on this flip button or rotation button. Then either on Samsung Galaxy S23, X24, A55 series, this really works. Then go ahead and click on the settings icon at the top left. Once you selected the settings icon at the top left, this is going to take you to your Samsung phone camera settings. On the Samsung phone camera settings, scroll down to selfie. Under selfie, so it's either you say save selfies as previewed or you say mirror image on selfie or selfie mirror image depending on your phone configuration. So you're going to find this under selfies. Turn this on to allow your Samsung phone to enable save selfies as previewed, or turn this off to allow your Samsung phone to disable save service as preview. So with this, you can change the mirror image on your Samsung Galaxy device. And then once you've selected the choice you prefer, either you want to save selfie as previewed or don't save selfie as previewed, hit the back button. So basically, I always prefer to use save selfie as previewed. Then we are good to go. So that is basically how to change the selfie mirror image on a Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.